Impact TV twakora we bale kuma following ya YouTube na Facebook yitu turasime turakora nechamani we bale inviting our friends baba liking Facebook page yitu kandi follow nga YouTube subscribing Instagram hamwe na Twitter kona turiro Impact TV ebirungi n'ebisora bishangaro Impact TV ya umbezo wawe ni Kareptic SMC kandi show twagenda the use digest aitwa kuletera live eminyeto jerizo kuchikola mu live eminyeto jerizo kwiye karebeka ngunyesa yawe yaderera eminyeto nugira habi konka hati aheri hari harungi following rezo twatayira umunyeto gumwe kuri mukabare town ejya kosire bire gambira muraze kubireba in inspiring story so Maroro Impact TV orebe ugire kiwayegamo kandi commenting ne kuto idea following subscribing ga YouTube kugira video turatekeho obaze kukireba Maroro Impact TV kandi show twageta youth digest turareta mu lifestyle turareta mu entertainment hamwe nabindi birashemeze minyeto kandi birakwata minyeto kureba muhagira ikitwagira ikitwaye yamba ngo kuna nabaganirizo cyatayero umunyeto gumwe uraze kwakora tugambera story na buri kimwe so amisho gakume aha screen turebe etarate cyatwinire nizo yes boss yakura haba tureba Maroro Impact TV kabari
mwena wali kutureba Maroro Impact TV kabari mazina ninye Didi Dancing fashion design
amazina mamure Didi Dancing ngoro mweshongozi mwe Didi Dancing ko arimo art nyinshi
just a fashion so like na yoni art kweko kwa so for something that will brand you
so fashionista
designer stylist
kokuma ore ni fashionista designer stylist okisho mulimo gwa gutandika diari how did it come to the wesa ngo fashionista wamani ko ori hati okija watandikosa
fashion ni fashion atandika campus campus 2016 okay it was some online business more what now kolera year kind of kuyabeka passion kaine kuleba na marketing so katandika way back 2016 campus
ukatandika fashion na design n'ibintu bya styling 2016 nibwo wabero mazire kubishoma cikija kitakushanga uri mu bintu bya fashion and design
tindejere fashion and design kuna jani passion when talent nuko urugambwa rw'inkomwesho angira talent kiri mulinye ka fashion ninga ni passion yanje shaka we stylist
so kawoshomire kugira ntiye uze mu fashion cyo wabishomire n'icyature ndo umuntu uri kutureba ku empaho ari mu different parts of the world amanye niki storage yo kwiyishire wadrobota shomire fashion nikanga washanga mu fashion ka fashion cikija titoka woshomire ki at campus engineering campus wakora civil engineering
graduate this year
graduate wa civil engineering ukora fashion so haro munyeto kuri go buriyo kutureba konka arateka ashomire ari nka doctor ari nka nurse ashomira kuri karicha konka ataka akora something aside like food like what ogura mugambira ki ari ngo ko impa
corona pandemic they not just a short of the job so when you pray you have to get where your talent lies. You are an artist or a versa kuhinga, do something possible so that you can earn.
So urachire mutakushanga ushomire engineering kandi uri mu fashion, how do you feel?
It's a double blessing because abantu bine kujwara kombeka so either natali kombeka ndi alizinde either natali
print. So fashion and design orakora tailoring dakuli ningo kulengo hiyo lete otekao abarazenda bisho bajweke. What do you do specifically? Ningo oli stylist omuntaresha jirenzi jwara chiri na chiri kare specifically what do you do and how do you do it?
Yeah, thank you so much TK. Like Nathan because this thing I looked at being unique by unique okubanaza kuleba Kevin to think about jeans, think about t-shirts because urazana halo shandele are the same things. I majorly deal in tailoring. So tailoring, we look for fashions and create them. That's our aim. My aim as a stylist.
The other side, do you or in a team you're a you pose and you look at something. So in a team you're a
It's a big team in fashion. Fashion, there are, like I can say 3 or 4 things. There's a model, there's a stylist, there's a designer. So I can be a model. A model showcases what he or she is supposed to showcase. A stylist looks for fashion. Then a designer, in layman's language, what is how producing what you want.
So imirimo yawe uragikorera nkaye specifically kugira ngo not specifically imirimo yawe uragikonda kikingira nkaye.
Actually, most of the times we are online. The tailors are based in Kampala. Soon opening up a branch in Kabale.
So online business area, because you are now in Kabale, you have different people from different areas, and ulikucheza ulienda mukorena shop Kabale ni other area ndajira yo very your dream. Ulichochire wota abantu online business hamwe na ground business kiraba kitaura kwasa kubana tindamanya class ya ba clients ba mukora online business. How is it?
Like kuna now we have to diversify so there is a time to cut to katinaya ina charano way still karakumarapo. So online business, the trick about it, you have to have many friends, and most of the people have to know what you're doing. Kandi no bwiro abantu bingi tibina time no shopping mutarazamuka abye mukashahemu agaruke mushaye kunebizo mwazo and bine kujwara bine kulia. So online business is the trick onwera bine kodyo muntu amazi.
So twaenda kugarukaho hanyuma ho gace 2016 uri kutandika umurimo okija watandika utakale tinda manyoboka wino skill before okija watandika utakushanga okishanga mu fashion orakora okazo somewhere wadere kuwayega mu kija watandika utaho
ndaza campus essentially waro kushambuli unikora jwaro kutuwa ukanyi na batunji banje before naye kantalenga nyezo y'abandi batatu. So shanga gana tunjisa pesa ati ajole umwana yakubuza ngo ejujuzekane mushabaka ka center ka pauza kuroyuka ojitumukire. So cha inspiring abandi bana kujya babenka. So in a long run I wanted to be someone different. So think of ideas, create them.
Sikio kabaji no kora basa kuza cyarano tungi tutendere tobaka brand.
Actually nkenga okutunga kacha I think corona, the first corona in 2018 keje kutunga kutunga kwa mask tikijira college ndoro ine fora chima. It is just to have a hint and creative.
So umulebero Impact TV ko kutata kugambira tata yero munyeto baramwita Didi Dancing alikaba kandi alikugambira ni fashionista ni stylist kandi ni designer aratunga ngo yarakora ibindi bintu bingi ni engineer oketo titsi musibire kwisiriza biroto byeye. So Sebo Dancing twenze tumanye okatandiko ine akasento chakasento kati chita olizo ratandika
fashion and design sente tinyingi oine komo ora manja abasa tunjire yora mwesi garakora class work chikuru wabona client ashashura some people's after delivering then abasa. So what you need ni kalito money like active way jawa flokeza labor zogra material then what delivery ngaba
toreza ngo kusanga ngo kugura nkebi harani
ati ngo mwire boko yani makuni atanu wa gramash cyo ine ukola mu fashion and design and now generation no kuba trust one namasi deliver time robo mutara kwe bintu aine kapate on Saturday ya kwa order on Thursday. So you have 2 days to create them. So all bibaso la jai it's okay na ko mutara bibaso it's fine.
So for what in 2016 actually mu around 5 years or orarebe bintu bidatambra bitabirije like kwegamba kantu kali kurugamu kwegamba yerere bintu kantu kali kurugamu
was so far dressed over 500 people. 500. Dress people in Guru, people in Soroti, in Kabale, in Bra, and some friend of mine, I think Carol Gasaka.
So move on to like public figures and cover celebrities, like abantu kabo abara banyamunonga buje kiro nkaba
I have some people around. Yeah, who are most of my customers, our Kampala. I want to think about my actual think about it because it is an online thing. They order it, but what I know they should watch out for the find out video by TKs. Yeah, as a crowd outfits.
Tuwe bale kumawe kumire Halo Impact TV subscribing kugira nti twateka buri video base kugireba kandi amule tukigambo subscribe then baraza kuletera ka bell ka notification bell hamusteka tapingemu then tapingemu option yo kubanza all then aho twateka video baraza kubora gifuna umereza wori kare kutikeze mutsikya kumuzamuna Halo Impact TV interview ne musigazi murunja hampari kutugambira urugendo gwe omunyeto gwa guryokwe yaza kutugambira mutazo gemirimo mu diversifying woshomere obushaho orugeyo okorehe kindi so tutatambura nawe tutagumizamu iweboguma Halo Impact TV birunjine bisa tutabileta sho twajeta use digest era running buri gwa mukaga Facebook page yetu hamwe na YouTube so subscribing or liking or inviting your friends bagire ki barayiking Mr. Dancing like business kwiwara tutandika ki ndibuzi buco bwo bugine boragira nti obinda banisizemo mu ngere kineki
so undagamba most times we may fail to deliver ukora shanga ya in the shortest time period so shanga to start delivering in the right time and the change people complain that they are expensive. Yeah, it's totally expensive only that personalized things will end up catching in your own creation. You have to buy material, you have to always bear the cost. So you find it hard, shango metalenda kaka, ajaine kemtwale ego mjene mtwale tani, shange kafu.
So, like, wagira nti muri kuronda location kabare nabara muri kavalinga kigezi nebinde biragenderaho. So oine team yo kugira nti with time oshange ekitu watch first ninga wa etu watch kandi chire how long to expect kugira ngo abantu bakure ba TV barazo kuba baragira nti tuyirondere nkaye ya ishireyo so bakachikora batya.
For the meantime, I have a group of tailors because from Italy experienced today I'm encouraging umuntu yakire bagira ngo watch because I want it to be different from others. So they'll give me time probably early next year. We shall get a place with a group of people. Yeah, start producing. But for now, we are all over social media, Instagram, Facebook, and we have a Facebook page called Banana Fashion. You can like, order for what you want, and we deliver.
So, twendere ojira advice yo hamenyeta yo beriyo kweri tukireba gira kagambo kamwe birabibi wabagambira amenyete ryo kwera shoge mirimo mu manyanyo y'ishomire ro tinkaza kutunga koko tinka gira ki wabagambira
yataka bayire that advice like kare bintu binijana barasa kujogu kora fashion and design kwata lebi atulika kebya. So from the pants, the shorts, that's it. Yeah, then this is a jacket. Bomber jacket.
Bomber jacket. Bomber jacket. Yeah. Bomber jacket.
Sati. Atiket Warajima.
Harimu art, harimu some uniqueness here.
Not that everybody is straight, so we are a cover pressure, it is some beautiful. So to the vast application oblique button.
Oblique button.
Yeah. Then we made the farm. Then it's a ticket station. Okay, it's a Chinese collar.
Chinese collar, oblique Chinese collar. Abasomesera ringi baracenga rangi.
Chinese collar mwe no ukabwa neck collars also. So it will deal mainly creativity.
In creating unique things.
So these are 2 colors. Unaweza kuina pale ya black enda kumatch. Yeah. Chala lone chipa. Chikola wepa. So that's it. Yeah. So izine satizo la za muduka ukalone skabula. So it's the floral, it's the white material.
Art here. There is some art here.
Then when we come to this
art,
tie.
Yeah, ampa.
Yeah, kuka just kachikola like I wanted a different material piece. So it's the floral. So rabasa kujua kasa tia ya black and any other color. Then waketa ka pocket square.
Pocket square.
Pocket square. Yeah.
Poka nakora chika pocket square.
Chira puta kama tuwe. Then this is a change shirt. Abana wala chanti bakajwa okutenje ukomo. Ukomo tia kupimira. Basa kola Here's the power of the trending attires. As well as the senator wears, the Lagos Sati, the Impali.
Senator wears.
There's this shirt also. Konaka material, then we do the patchwork. So lastly, we should be focused when a passion here, which call it. After all, no pegas, so we are all after money. Because I've seen most of the successful people, but brands, Nawanda, most fashionistas, the stylists, yeah, they studied what they did, or what they did in class is not what they do. So, Mtakaiwa must find out your passion, do something creative, make money. That's it.
Yeah, we are really dancing fashionista from Banana Fashion Scan, Engineering Impact Television, Omerza wawe ni Karibu TK's MC, show Jwajeta Youth Digest, kamera to abatwinde obale yuji. Alebeka ngo subscribing our YouTube channel yetu at following her Facebook na Instagram utebigwe na Twitter na social media hona tulivo za TikTok following at Real Impact TV. Real it is REEL then Impact TV kabale o subscribing ebiro njine bisatu chabireta gambira abanyone bawe musharing video ejimpa Mr. Did Dancing we bali kutuhereza kile ka brother keep inspiring many people. Ya umusigazi mwamure barakora business online but ari kuchitera yatugambira ko yatandikire nayi yayika nacha yongera kuza. So omunyetori yokwe ne barabasa kuchikora nanye ndabasa kuchikora because nawe akachikora na nankara basa kuchikora. So utayo bamasiko Real Impact TV tuli wabwanyu kubaletera ibintu nkebe ebirashemeza birungi kandi ebirengesa bikatumanyisa we bale kutukunda bale kutufollowinga subscribinga o sharing video gambira abanyone babona bagire ki ba subscribing we bale munonga blessings.